early in the morning, yeah man. Extremely early, you know. This is yard, really hard life. Get up, get out there, and keep doing the right things, man. Yes, man. This morning I'm up and about, and you know me ever take my morning walk, and from the other day the phone has been giving me a lot of issues, you know. But I still I take my time and pull through, most naturally. So me I go link Zagro, yeah man. That is Zagro, you know. Yeah man. Ella that you see in my previous video. Chefing up the pork and whatnot. Yeah man. Daddy I cut a mash for me, you see it? Yeah man. Country with chicken enough. Yeah man, but I link that is Zagro. And see if you can sort out the mash yet, yeah man. As I tell you guys from before, not yeah man, I love the hillside most naturally, so I plan to touch the hills. Yeah man, we up in the hills up there, so yeah man, you know me, I'll take you all with me most naturally. Just like that. I've come my yard and they go this morning. Beautiful morning at the countryside. Yes man, cool and nice here. Can just breathe in fresh as ever. Bless up daddy, bless up. Listen, ready for me? Proper. Ah, the machine ready. I time man. We go on the road about 2 times. You know pass here? Yeah man, we pass here, but I don't know if there. Lord, see there? It's a blessing man. Solid. Daddy running the corner there. Blessings man, real blessings, you know. Manners daddy. Yeah man. Oh my word, my shit look beautiful. Yeah man, everything alright? See there, at least I go perform the work, so you know what I want. Come on hills. This is hard, you know? Really hard life. It now get no better than this. Trust me. Real blessing. Yeah man, some of them move here. Shot back up in the hills, you know. Yeah, man, I go up and puppy them and get hungry. No place like yard, eh? Yeah man, the mongrel them up. And I defend the community. Yeah man, so you know it go. You better watch your foot, watch your back. Yeah man, because you get bite up. You know, trust the energy set. Upper hills. Yeah man, all that real country vibes, you know. Yeah man, because the tool up, you know. Yo, I tell you. A lot to do, you know, in such a short time, but you have to take time to do it. Little, you know. When I did on the yes this morning, and so if you take it 1 step, 2 step, 3. Whoa, dada! I've been spending most of my time at the shop. Yeah, man, because you know, say, yo, you have to dig the bread. Youth have to eat, youth have to gas. Alright, this is how it's set this morning. Yeah man, may I go take down the banana here. Plantain to be in fact. Yeah man, I have a plant here for cut from the other day. See it? See if I can show y'all. And see there? Yeah man, it's all ripe. Ripe on the bunch, as you can see, a ripe one there, right? Here, so. Yeah man. But come on yard, I'm gonna take it down like that. Nah, I'm gonna take it down like 1. That's it, yeah. Come on, yard. Run down the river, yeah, go all wash off. Nice and easy. Yo. Nice now. Yeah, man, you have to find it. Look at niceness, you know? Yeah, man. This side there. Both are clean up, you know, and touch the road. Most naturally. Yeah, man, river water kind of low enough, but so you go, still pretty. Yeah, man, as usual. You know, if you walk a mile like this side, you have to step, you know. Yeah, man. Reach my destination. Me I tell them I love the riverside, but certain time of the year, sun no shine a little corner in it. Trust me. Hot. Yeah, man, can't follow me. I have to love you. They see it. Yeah, man, but stick around, man. I go right. Yes, sir. Get clean. Like. Yo. Yeah, man. I'm done fresh. You know me already. Yeah, man. Giving thanks to life. You know. This is hard, you know. Really hard life. I'm up and about today. Whew. Run guard road, you know. Yeah, man. See if I can run guard. Morning day. Start out some work. Most naturally. Funny enough, you know. I don't mind living in the hillside, you know. Yeah, man. Ooh, country nice, you know. And you just have to seek out that little niceness, you know. Or I don't force nobody to love nature, but trust me, nothing like being close to nature. Yeah, man. You know the hillside, you know. Whoa. Less animosity, less stress, less a lot of things. You see me? You want to get more time for just center yourself. No place like yard, man. Yeah, man, I'm always up and about, you know. So right now, I'm going to run up on the road. Yeah, man, run some errand, you know. Come along with me. on the road. Just past Funtil, you know? Yeah, man. Take my time I pull through because you know the road situation. You have to do it one step at a time. Most naturally. Never the point yes yet, trust me. One down Marant be stay in idea. Yeah, man, I run night be still. Just come my yard. Show you what I'm going, you know. Pull into Marant Bay. Yeah, man, see my classmate on the bike there. Cut him, Mike. Yeah, man, ever up and about and I do the right thing, you know. It's a blessing. Just a pull in. Yeah, man, they are Marant Bay, you know. Make a run go over the park. Woo. Wait for the Chinese them. Done pack up my goods them. Yeah, man. Just arriving at the park, you know. St. Thomas, Marant Bay to be in fact. Yeah, man. Yeah, do this still, you know. Yeah, man, we're in at the park. But naturally. But time to come and show now around a little bit more. Yeah, man. But I'm at on errand, you know. Or me I do errand, so not much to see. Buy some goods. Yeah, man, I'm gonna say, you know, catch a short footage for y'all, most naturally. Yeah, man, come on, y'all, let me show you around. No place like home, trust me. Nothing like when you can find time to come soak up Mother Nature, you know. All of the niceness. Woo! Blessings, man. Stay safe. Yeah, man, yard life. I stop a road, you know. Come get something from ice them. Yeah, man, they are Marant. So you know me ever have to do the months. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life. I stop a mummy Merlin. Yeah, man, come get her food, you know. Yeah, man, nothing like yard. Me and Chess for her today, yeah. Blessings, bro, guys. And mummy Merlin and the work, you know. Proper.
That's not in Korea now, that's weird.
Yeah, man, get on time, a yard with it. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. You know, you have to get the stomach up and running, most naturally, so. Stick around, man, see food, you know. Yeah, man. proper, you see. Yeah, man. We open a boat and I'm there with family. Yeah, man. I want
One go, you hear that?
straight.
Yeah,
Out
that's
out here,
man.
man. Proper. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Yeah, man. You know me, ever open a boat, but being busy from the other days are rough task, trust me, but you know the place. Running short of footage, you know me already. Always up and about, most naturally, but the Mills video coming up soon and very soon. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned. And remember, always walk with the Most High. It's a blessing.